Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey Gadget Bro, and I'm going to introduce you now Magic Laptop Day that has 360 rotation ability. So you can use it from your bed or sofa, table or wherever. You can use it as a laptop desk, writing desk, dining table or whatever. You just need to adjust the knob in the leg of the desk to different height and the angle you need. And it is made with strong magnesium and aluminium alloy to achieve the high quality and compact design. So this has 3 knobs, and you can adjust it to any height and any angle you want. The 360 revolve provides high flexibility just as a human. Automatically fixed joints and high intensity ABS joints are easy to conduct precise angle and height adjustment according to the manual. So if you have a back pain or if you don't want to sit for a long time, you can use this from your bed and walk with your task. So let's go and unpack it. I ordered this thing from China and it came within 2 weeks actually. So here I'm going to listen. You have to be careful when opening this stuff. It seems to be made with high quality according to the reviews and like that, but we will see how it is. Kind of messy here. Okay, okay, let's see. Oh, here it is. It's actually a red color. I thought it to be black, but doesn't matter. It's fine. The color doesn't matter now, isn't it? So here it is. It seems to be made with good quality. And then yeah. So let's open it. There's a manual comes with it, as you can see. Okay, I'm getting it now. That began to I just dropped something, but doesn't matter. We check that later. So this is a mouse pad, so you can use your mouse with on top of it. I have a wireless mouse, so I put it over here and put it like that. And it won't fall, as you can see. There's a bar here, there's a protection, so it won't fall. But you have to still be careful. It seems to be made with strong aluminium and strong plastic. Here is the aluminium part, and this is actually a plastic, and there's a fan. Okay, so let's see how to use this. We just press it, and there's a knob you can see. You just have to press it. So when you press it, you can rotate it at any direction. And here again you can see like that. You can see. So see, we have a 360 rotation capacity. And again the other side. going to be a bit difficult, but we'll do it. There's one problem though, as you can see there's a bend here. I think I have to ask for a refund or something, or replacement maybe, because you see it's not aligned here perfectly. The other side is aligned perfectly though, but this side is not perfectly aligned. See the bend over here? I don't know, maybe that's the reason I can't make this steady. So it's done, and I'm going to show you a walkthrough here how to see it is. You can see here, you can adjust this to any way you want, and I'm still not familiar with the design yet. I just have to try it 2 times, but I hope you get the idea about how to use this.